Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? I actually recorded this video once already. So here's the deal. I actually recorded this video like a couple weeks ago, and then I went to go edit it, and when I played it, it sounded like this.
Guys, we have like a really big SHEIN haul today and I'm so excited.
I don't know what happened. It might have been like my microphone in the phone. Like, I don't know. I don't know what happened. I almost told Hubs that I was just going to post that one and just, you know, give a disclaimer. Hey, I sound like a robot chipmunk in this video. Sorry. But he was like, no one's going to be able to listen to it. And I was like, damn it. So I already had all of the excitement that in this video. Like, I was very excited and the video was so cute and I was so happy and everything. So now we are just gonna give it a good shot again, but you know, it's probably gonna be rushed and I've already seen all these things. I did, however, get to keep the B-roll from the first one, so at least I don't have to do that again. So that means you're going to see me try on every single one of these pieces and yeah. Let's just have a little disclaimer about that part. Some of you already know and have been following me for a while, I have a weight loss story. So my body is that of somebody that has lost over 150 pounds. I've had some work done, but you know, it's still like jiggly thighs and all that kind of stuff. So just please forgive, I am a real person. Basically, what I have for you today is a very large SHEIN vacation stuff haul. I have a lot of pieces and I really got some good deals here today. So this is very exciting. I actually bought everything for under $6 a piece except for one item, and that item was totally worth it. You'll see what I mean. But in total, I bought 13 pieces and I only paid $46.56. So it is really, really good. This is better than any Temu video I'm ever gonna show you. I have all of my paperwork right here so I can go through the items of what I paid for them, what size I got. I do have all the links down below. So if you see anything that you like, they're non-affiliated. They're just links that take you straight to the SHEIN site and what item it is. And then you can just decide with whatever price it is at that point if you want to pick it up or not. I am going to move over here though, because eventually there are going to be some videos of things that I've tried on. There are 2 bathing suits, there's some cover-ups, there's some shirts and some shorts. It's like very exciting. This is all for in prep for my birthday trip to Miami that is coming up next month. So let's dive into it. I'm gonna go through the non-clothing items first because they're not very exciting, but like I was just having fun picking travel vacation stuff, so we're just gonna go through those first. One of the more boring things that I bought are these travel shoe bags. These were only 43 cents a piece, so I got 2 of them, one for me and one for Hubs. They're kind of just like a fabric drawstring bag that you put your shoes in. There's a clear window right here so that you can like see what you put in here. So you can put them in your suitcase and not get your shoe gunk like all over everything. I thought they'd be kind of handy to have. I think you could probably fit maybe like 2 pairs of shoes in here or whatever. But I thought for 43 cents, I'm throwing them in my cart. The next non-clothing item I bought was a travel water bottle. I just thought this thing was super cute. It was only 90 cents. This is just like a plastic water bottle with a screw cap. It's nothing special, but for 90 cents, it's really nice to have, like, because you can't take liquids onto a plane, but you can take an empty bottle, and then once you get inside the terminal, you can fill it up at a water station, and then you just have a bottle to travel with. So I kind of like that idea. Then the last non-clothing item I bought was this bead sunglass holder chain. It's just a plain chain with like some black sparkly beads on it. This is the part that you put over the sunglass arms so that you can put it around your neck and take on and off your you know, like kind of like an old lady that I am. Only $1.70, so I thought, why not? Okay, let's get into the clothes. I have so many here, so I'm just going to pull them out of this box. Like, I don't have any rhyme or reason, so we're just gonna go in the order that they're in the box. The very first thing that I have is the sheer pom-pom cover-up. I got one regular cover-up, and then you'll see I got something even more special later. This is in the color white. I got it in size medium because I read all of the reviews and they said that it is really oversized and very generous, which it is. This is like kind of like a soft, I don't know, kind of sheer linen type material. It's got an elastic waistband around. It's like Empire waist. It comes like right below your boobs. I thought this was super cute when I tried it on. I only paid $4.94 for this. It does have the little cotton pom-poms on it, which makes it like a little bit more special than just a generic cover-up, but I did think that this was really cute. I think it'll be super light and airy to just throw on if you're like walking down the boardwalk or just walking to the beach from your hotel. So I think it's really, really cute. And for $4.94, I'm not gonna be mad at it. Let's see what I pull out next. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the Unity cowl neck tie bandana top. I actually got this in size extra large. I really thought it looked cute in the photo on the model, but like knowing that I'm probably gonna get it and it's not gonna look like that on me, I was actually pleasantly surprised when I did put this on. Now, like we said earlier, I've had a weight loss story. I have cinnamon rolls bacon in the back there, and I don't usually like tops that don't cover the back very well, but this is like a halter top and it's got like some loose material in the front. It's super cute. It's like a ribbed material, really stretchy, really light and giving. The thing is the back is very skimpy. I don't know if you can wear a bra with this, but I thought it actually looked kind of hot, like with the way that it's pointed down in the front and the halter top. So, I mean, I don't know. I actually, for, what was this? $3.60, I thought this was like kind of cute. And, you know, I might, being in Miami where it's really, really freaking hot, I might put this on and just be like, fuck it, you know. All right, the first bathing suit of this haul, this is the floral print mesh insert one swimsuit. I got this in size large. Now, I ordered these bathing suits from SHEIN knowing that they don't have like a high cut thigh. They're kind of like a more full coverage. I like a higher cut thigh. I just think it works better for like my weird shape that I have. This actually turned out to be really, really cute. It looks really good with the girls. It has this really cute kind of mesh see-through stripe that goes all the way around the back and the front. And then it's got like a floral print on the bottom. They had these in other patterns and colors, but I picked this one because it was $5.21. And I was trying to keep everything under $6. So actually not too mad about this one. It's definitely full coverage. It's very comfortable. Like I can feel, you know, secure in it on the beach. So, you know, that was a good buy. What's the next thing that I'm going to pull out here? Okay, yes. This is the SHEIN Frenchy Solid Sheared Tube Top in the color Dusty Pink. I bought it in size large. Again, not really a tube top fan, but I'm thinking it's going to be 105 degrees down there with like 800% humidity and I need to feel comfortable. So I picked out this. I really do like this one a lot. It looked super cute on. It was definitely kind of like that boho feel. The top is very, very stretchy. I had a bandeau bra on underneath it and it worked out really well. I love how the front comes to a point. It is long enough in the back that it covers my rolls. It looks really cute with a pair of jeans. I think it would look really cute with like a pair of shorts. I actually really like this one a lot, and this one was only $5.41. So we are keeping on trend with things under $6. I would actually buy this one in more colors. I liked it a lot. All right, the next one, I actually ended up buying 2 pairs of biker shorts on this haul because they were super cheap, guys. Like, okay, this one is the SHEIN Sexy Wide Waistband Solid Biker Shorts in black. These were only $2.60. I opened them up and I was like, wow, it's a really thin material. I didn't know how they were gonna look, but oh my gosh, when I put these on, I thought they were super cute on. Very comfortable. The waistband didn't dig into my, you know, softness over here. They were a really good length for my thighs too. It like kind of held everything in. And again, Miami, you just want to throw on something that like you can breathe in. It's going to be easy. And I thought these with like any type of top were going to work. So very happy with these for $2.60. The next bathing suit, so I got two bathing suits, you already saw the one. This one is the tropical print ruche halter one-piece swimsuit. Listen guys, this is why I bought the girls for something like this, you know? I really do like the design of the top of this top because it does like show off the girls like really well. And I do like the ruched part of the middle of the bathing suit. This one for me, I do feel comes a little bit low around my hips, and I don't know, I think with me, the higher cut hip, like kind of visually looks a little bit longer and leaner, where these ones that kind of come right to the below the hip, I don't know, I just feel like it makes it look a little bit more boxy, but it's okay. I do think that this one is really cute. I do like the high back, as you know, I have the cinnamon rolls in there. This bathing suit was only $5.30, so I thought, let me just give it a shot, and it turned out to be like pretty cute. This is the next pair of biker shorts that I bought, and they were like advertising these in the, hey, suggested for you type thing, and they were super cheap, so I was like, I might as well just try them, you know? These are the SHEIN Easy Wear graphic print biker shorts. Now, I like these ones even more than the plain black ones. I like them both very much, but this one, I don't know, the material is just a tiny bit more cottony and less polyester-y, even though it's the same, it's like polyester, you know, like, but I don't know, there was something about these ones that were like just like a tiny bit like more comfortable. I got these in a size large. I love the black and white graphic print. Again, great length for me. The band didn't cut into my stomach. I thought they were super cute with like the little white pullover that I have on, but again, you could wear anything with this, a tube top, a crop top, a bandeau top. I think this is like super versatile, and I actually went back to see if they had this particular one in any other colors, but I didn't see any. So the black and white was fine for me. These were only $2.94. All right, this next one, this is the SHEIN Vacay Paisley print hanky hem halter top. I'm laughing because when I first opened this package, I like pulled this out and I was like, oh, it's like a handkerchief. I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to wear this. It seemed just so tiny and like thin in it. Like, I was like, yeah, okay. I mean, this was only $4.50. Again, keeping under the $6. But you know what? I tried it on and it was actually really cute. I will say, I don't know if you could wear a bra with this. I didn't have anything on, and you could definitely see some side boob going on, but it's not stretchy. It's definitely like, it feels almost like silk, you know, like a silk handkerchief. It was super cute with the halter top. It's great for the shoulder look, and then it does have the point in the front and back, which I thought looked great on my body. So I thought this was actually kind of cute. I don't know if I would like go to this, but if I'm dying in a pool of my own sweat, I might just be like, fuck the bra, I'm just gonna put that on and let it blow in the breeze of the ocean. So, you know, for $4.50, you might as well give it a shot. The last one is the item that I spent over $6 on, and it's completely worth it. Like, I love these things. These are the tropical print chiffon cover-up pants. I love me a cover-up pant when I go to the beach because you can wear a nice bathing suit top and then throw pants on, and you can like walk around the boardwalk, go get drinks and food and stuff, but like never have to actually put on something. I love these ones so much. I was drawn to them because of how wide the leg was. I got these in size large and I paid $8.59 for these. These are a sheer see-through black material, and they have a palm print, kind of, I don't want to say embroidered, but kind of all over them. Oh my God, I love these so much. Like, I felt so fabulous trying these on in the video. They look great with the bathing suit that I got. Like, I thought for under $10, because I don't know where else you could get these for under $10, this was a great deal. This is definitely going in my suitcase in June. I'm very happy with these. I felt so chic and just so summery and pretty, but also keeping with my little dark aesthetic. That's it for this SHEIN haul for all of my vacation goods for next month. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, I got 13 items for $46.56. So that was pretty freaking amazing. I'm very happy with almost everything that I got, so I have nothing bad to say about it at all. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on which one of these pieces were your favorite. Tell me I look good. Tell me I'm gonna look great in Miami. That would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.